If you dey take blurry pictures and you dey delete them because of the blurriness, this video now for you. How it dey be, my people? So today I want talk about Topaz Photo AI. Topaz software, this AI will help you bring back this picture wey don blur. If you know, sometimes if you dey shoot and somehow you go miss focus, and sometimes maybe no be wetin you want snap. If you snap another thing, sometimes na just test shoot, the picture go blur. This plugin go help you bring them back. And they get Topaz video AI. This video AI fit upscale video from 720 pixel to 1080, or from 720 pixels to 4K, even 8K. But this one now, you need system with high GPU.
This is nothing but a mad joke. It can't be possible.
Because if your GPU no high, it will affect your rendering time. You know, they no optimize them at all. I don't know why they never optimize them yet. But everybody, they go through the same process. If you want to upscale your video, you just got do all night. Put that distance. Sometimes if it take you 2 days, where they upscale. Though if they upscale social media content like 1 minute video, if it take you like 12 hours or 8 hours, depending on your system. Oh yes, that one na for Topaz. I know say you go don dey ask for your mind. This one we dey talk about laptop. What of we dey use phone? No worry, on our own day for now. Remini na another phone software, na free software. If you get up to 5 good pictures in a day for the free version. But if you want buy them, none of them sponsor this video. I just dey talk and based on say I dey enjoy those little things. So I want make on a 2 test run am. Nobody sponsor this video. But that Remini will help you to bring back your picture with blur to life. If you go their website, download the trial version, test run am, see how the thing will work for you. First one na Lumina. Lumina na awesome plugin. It will help you enhance your eye, change eye rays, like eye retouching completely. It will help you do them. You go fix your lips, fix the eyebrow, fix sky if you want fix sky, fix relight the face, like liquefy both face and body. This plugin they do them automatically in AI. That one are for Lumina. Another good AI, and again another thing Lumina gets. I'll come back to this side. Another AI way good if it's on softening skin as well. Now on one portrait. On one portrait na very good AI. Though I never explore them, but I don't see a lot of things about them. I never really get use for them. Now waiting make me either my system. Now waiting make me never the user. But if you always check on one AI, check how the thing will help your work, make your work day fast, so that it will be so efficient for your work. Another AI now, Retouch for me. I always talk about Retouch for me because at the user they do most of my jobs. Retouch for me, they save me 75% of time to edit. Retouch for me get Retouch for me Huion. Retouch for me Huion, they remove blemishes. You get fabrics, they fix your fabrics. For people they do fashion, you don't need to go they brush fabrics again. You get clean backdrop. That one automatically go clean your background. You get eye enhancer. They remove veins from eye. They whiten teeth. They can even bring new plugin inside Retouch for me, which is Retouch for me color match. That one they balance your color automatically. As just click pop, you don't do phew. They no sponsor this video. I just they tell you based on say I like them, and I know say you self you go like them if you start to use this software. So if you want get soft skin, another software plugin I go advise you to get now Skin Finder. Skin Finder will never get the Jack Sparrow for Mac. If you go their website, check them, download them, buy them. Yes, buy them. Let me talk them. Buy them. Make you use them, soften your skin. You need to affect fabrics. You know, portraiture they affect fabrics and all. I don't even use portraiture self, but I don't see pictures of portraiture work on. But Skin Finder now only check the color of the skin tone. It will soften them. But one sweet thing, before you use Skin Finder, make sure say you sharpen your image enough. Not be too much, but make it get more details, so that when you use Skin Finder, you no go to kill the skin texture, because some images they kill skin texture. Another good plugin where you will use the add light rays to your picture and some kind of bouquet effects. Now exposure X, they don't get new one, exposure X7. We've been start to use them from exposure X 3, 4, 4.5, 5, and even use 5 self. I just skip to 7. I never see the new thing, maybe not because I need to explore them, but the few things what they use, they work for me, and I did okay by that. Which other plugin I never talk about? Make I think. Yes, I don't talk about all the plugins and AI way I feel say on I need to know about. Another one way I need talk about Photoshop 2024 generative fill, then go soon they sell them. You get from now till 1st of November to enjoy them. After 1st of November, Photoshop generative fill go dey on sale. Like no be like say them go sell them, but you go dey buy credits to make use of them. The reason for this thing is because they need to pay their contributors. You know, say you dey use pictures from Adobe stock, they fill your work, so they need to pay their contributors. So then they do them. If you, any of their this thing subscription way you do, they come with credits. But if your credit finish, your render time will be slower. Maybe like say the thing being faster before, it's still slow. But imagine how slow you can be when your credit finish, starting from next month. By the time of recording this video, next month 9 November. I don't know when you go see the video, and I don't know when I go post the video. But you know, expensive. About 20 credits, 100 credits there about. I will check all these things so that I will give a detailed information. Now about $4.5 in naira. Now they call them, but in dollar now like 4. You know much, so now something if you do. Well, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell people about this video. Now the only YouTube channel where they use Pigeon did the professional photography tutorial. Peace.